Hey guys, it's Teresa. Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning upstairs of our home, and I thought I'd bring you along with me. And as you can see, this is my husband's man cave. It's the room over the garage. We have two bedrooms that are our son and daughters, and then we have a bathroom and an extra room. But for today, I'm going to be cleaning this room, the hallway, the bathroom, and the stairs going downstairs. And as you can see, my husband is a huge Miami Dolphins fan. He has been a Dolphins fan since the early 70s, so over the years he has collected a lot of memorabilia and collectibles. And so when we were building our home, we knew that we wanted to designate the room over the garage to display his big collection of Miami Dolphin items. Okay guys, time to get cleaning. And I like to work top to bottom. So the first thing I like to do is take my duster there and wipe down all the corners and the walls for any cobwebs or anything that may be there. Also, it has a little button where you can pivot the head, and I like to get that on top of, like a ceiling fan or these shelves or anything like that. I will also hit the baseboards with this duster. It works really good getting the dust off of those. And then here I'm just putting our folding chairs away. My husband had some friends over and they played poker a little while back, so just trying to clean that up. Okay guys, and here's confession time. I'll tell you, if it has a door or a drawer in this house, it is a complete disaster. Here is yet another closet that I need to clean out and declutter. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell, because this will be another declutter project that I'll do in our decluttering and organization series. Okay, now that I have the walls and the baseboards and the high items dusted, I'm just going to go and fluff up my pillows, straighten up the couch, and then I will start dusting all the furniture. And guys, I did vacuum the whole room. I'm not sure what happened with my camera, but this is the only portion that I had of me recorded vacuuming, but I did do the whole room. Okay, now we're going to move into the bathroom, and basically for this I'm just going to put a couple random things away that were on the counter. And the bathroom is it's weird angles and it's a smaller room, so I wasn't able to film everything, but you'll get the idea of what I did in here. And as you'll notice, I am in a different outfit. We are remodeling our master bathroom, and the night before we actually had a plumbing issue, and my husband had to turn off the whole water supply to the house, so I could not finish cleaning last night, so I had to come back tonight and finish cleaning. So if you notice me in a different outfit, yes, that is correct, and that is the reason why. And here I'm just sweeping the dust from the bathroom right in the hallway because I have not vacuumed that area yet, so I just swept it right on there. And then I'm going to mop the floor using my Shark steam mop. And then what's in that spray bottle is some Pine Sol. So I just spray that onto the floor, and then I use my steam mop to mop it up. I also did clean the garage floor, and I don't know what happened to that footage either, but I did mop in there also. Okay, we're on the home stretch. Here I'm just vacuuming the hallway, and then I will wipe down the stairs. And here it is, all nice and clean, straightened up, dusted, and vacuumed. The floors were washed. And the bathroom's all nice and clean and sparkly. And then here is like the little toilet tub area. That's all nice and cleaned out. Shower's all nice and clean. And then my final task tonight is just to wipe down the stairs. And what I have found that's the easiest is just to take a damp washcloth with your choice of cleaner. This is just a little bit of Pine Sol in this spray bottle, and spray it either on the steps or on the wash rag, and then just wipe each of the steps individually. And then as you'll notice, I'm just hitting that piece of trim as I go down the stairs too, because that gets a little dusty. And that's it for tonight. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me tonight as I clean our upstairs. And I hope this motivated you to possibly get some cleaning done in your home. And if you like cleaning videos, decluttering, organization videos, a little bit of decorating, give us a thumbs up. Also, we'd love for you to subscribe if you have not already subscribed, and join our YouTube family here at Yellow Daisy. Until the next time, bye-bye.